Now the next topic of our discussion is called class diagram. What exactly the class diagram is used for? Class diagram captures the vocabulary of a system. What it means is that generally what are the nouns involved in the developing that system, or the characters or components acting in the system. Just think about all the nouns, and based on that you can capture the name of the classes and the type of classes you would need. So that's why it says that captures the vocabulary of a system. Now here we will see that there are various classes. We have declared one class called company here, and then we have declared a class called department which has a name, and company has another subclass called office. There is another class called office, not subclass. Headquarters is the subclass of office. Company includes office and department, so we have an aggregation relationship here. Here it is a generalization relationship, because office is one of the type of, headquarter is a special case of a office. Headquarter is also office, but office is not headquarter. So headquarter is a special case of office, and that's why this is called generalization relationship. Okay. So we have seen the aggregation relationship, we have seen the generalization relationship, and we'll see the association relationship. So these are the various kinds of relationship which you can use while developing these 9 UML diagrams, whether it is a class diagram or object diagram or any other diagram. Okay. It is very obvious, but let me just show you. These are attributes and these are operations, which in Java world are also called methods. Okay. Think about this one here. A company includes department and office. And office is a very generic case of headquarter, whereas a headquarter is a special case of office. What exactly class diagram captures? It captures the vocabulary of a system. It helps you to build and refine throughout development. Purpose is name and model concept in the system, and specify collaborations, specify logical database schema, developed by analysts, designers, and implementations. It is developed by analysts, designers, and implementation. Now let us see one example of a class diagram. Here class diagram shows the entities in a system and their general relationship. So we will have a simple class diagram example. So in this relationship, if you see this area, what do you see? You see that this is called a generalization relationship. Financial institution is a generic class, of which bank is one of the special case of financial institution. Trust company is one of the special case of financial institution. So these two are special relations, specialized object of a general object. So this is what he means by general relationship. Now here we have an association relationship. what association relationship means, that this person is associated with this house, or this person is a part of this house. Okay. Now, once we have seen the class diagram, we will see an object diagram. Okay. Object diagram captures the instances and links. So what happens is that here we are not talking about classes, we are talking about object. So this is nothing but an object. This whole thing is nothing but objects. Okay. Now let us summarize the object diagram concept a little bit before we move ahead. It shows the instances and links. It is helpful to build during analysis and design. The purpose is to illustrate data or object structures, specify snapshots. So these are the various important points regarding this all object diagram. Now object diagram is generally developed by analysts, designers and implementer. So this one is where the developer start coming in the picture. So far we